Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the share open orders in Odoo 19 point of sale. The share open orders features in Odoo 19 point of sale allows multiple point of sale session to access each other's active or unpaid orders. This is especially useful when several point of sale terminals are working together in the same store. Let's consider a large retail store. Imagine a supermarket with 3 checkout counters. Counter A is crowded with long queues and a customer has already added a product at a counter A. Instead of waiting, the cashier at counter B opens the customer's active order and completes the payment. So this reduces the customer's waiting time. And let's see how can we set up this in Odoo 19 point of sale. For that, we can move on to the point of sale. From the configuration, you can see that we'll be having 3 point of sales over here. So I'll be moving on to the configuration settings, and afterwards we just need to set the trusted point of sales. So I'll be using the furniture store as well as the bakery under the POS clothing shop. So let me save the changes that we have made. Now let's imagine that we have received we are managing our orders from the clothing store. So in this case, you can see upon moving on to the open, you can see that here we have the order. You can add the item into the cart. Okay. And as we just manage with the share open orders, here you will be getting a button and we can just save this, and you can see that as this counter has a long queue, now the salesperson can just other salespersons can manage their orders from the other counter. Now, as we just set the other counters as the furniture store and the bakery, they can the cashier in the bakery as well as in the furniture store can currently manage. Let's move on to the back end, and upon moving on to the counter, which is of the furniture shop, here you can see that we have the option to manage with this. You can see that the items will be showing. So currently we are in the counter of furniture store. Still we are able to manage the order over here, or you can also see the orders will be it's not available over here. We can just manage from here, or if you just want to switch between the order, you can just switch the orders over here. Okay, so you can just manage it, and you can just validate the process. Likewise, as we just provide another counter also here, the cashier in the bakery shop will also have the privilege to manage with this order. So as we just move on to here, you can see that they will be managing this order from their point of sale or from their counter. So that's how the share open orders features in Odoo 19 point of sale helps the business to reduce waiting time and lets any cashier continue an active order seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Odoo tutorial videos. So before winding up this topic, I'd like to introduce Mobo. What if I told you could use Odoo right from your mobile? Introducing Mobo, the open source mobile suite that puts Odoo in the palm of your hands. Managing sales, inventory, CRM, approvals and more, wherever you are and whenever you need. Mobo built for Odoo. Built to stay open. Download it today from Play Store or App Store and take your business anywhere. So thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you in next one.